Want stronger legs even at 90? Start in the kitchen. One day it's a little harder to rise from a chair. A few months later, stairs feel like a workout. That's not just aging. That's muscle loss creeping in quietly. When your legs weaken, balance drops, fall risk spikes, and independence fades. The good news, you can turn this around. Today you'll learn 6 simple foods that nourish muscle, protect bones, and keep your legs powerful. Plus, exactly how to eat them for results. Welcome to Healthy Seniors Corner. Simple, science-grounded tips to stay strong, steady, and independent after 60. Tap subscribe so you never miss what actually works. Comment your age and city below. Let's see where our community is tuning in from. Now let's rebuild those legs, starting at your table. Let's start our list of foods. Number 6. Sweet potatoes. The smooth, long-lasting fuel. Why they help. As we age, muscles use fuel less efficiently. Sweet potatoes deliver slow-release carbohydrates for steady energy, potassium to support clean contractions and prevent cramps, and beta-carotene to calm low-grade inflammation that stiffens joints and slows recovery. How to eat for legs. Roast wedges with olive oil, salt, and paprika. Add to lunch bowls. Mash half a medium sweet potato with Greek yogurt as a protein plus side. Timing: 60 to 120 minutes before walks or leg sessions to feel the endurance bump. Food number 5 is oats, the everyday endurance builder. Why they help. Oats give slow, stable energy, plant protein for repair, and magnesium plus iron to oxygenate muscle and reduce night cramps. How to eat for legs. Morning bowl: half cup rolled oats plus hot water or milk. Top with walnuts and berries. No cook jar. Soak oats overnight. Add chia and cinnamon to aid steady glucose. Snack: blend oats into smoothies for a portable, leg-friendly fuel. Next, 4th food is avocados. Flexibility plus cramp control. Why they help. Monounsaturated fats soothe inflammation around knees and hips. Potassium helps stop calf spasms, and vitamin E supports muscle membrane repair. How to eat for legs. Half an avocado on high-fiber toast with egg for a strength breakfast. Dice into salmon or bean salads for a fats plus protein combo. Pinch of salt, lemon, and black pepper improves absorption and flavor. Food number 3 is berries. Daily muscle shield. Why they help. Antioxidants in blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries reduce oxidative stress that slows recovery, support collagen for tendons/ligaments, and aid circulation so legs get the oxygen they need. How to eat for legs. A handful, 3/4 to 1 cup, with oats or yogurt. Freeze for budget-friendly smoothies. Pair with protein, yogurt, cottage cheese to slow sugar spikes and speed repair. Second food is salmon. Rebuild plus circulate. Why it helps. Complete protein supplies essential amino acids for leg muscle repair. Omega-3s calm joint stiffness and support flexible blood vessels, improving nutrient delivery to working quads and calves. B vitamins convert food to clean energy. How to eat for legs. 2 to 3 servings per week baked or grilled. Season with lemon, herbs, olive oil. Canned salmon in olive oil mashed with mustard plus pickles for a quick spread. Pair with sweet potato or oats on training days for power plus repair. Food number 1 is eggs. Compact strength builder. Why they help. Eggs provide all 9 essential amino acids for muscle synthesis, vitamin D for strength and balance, and choline for nerve-to-muscle communication, key for steady steps and reaction time. How to eat for legs. 1 to 2 eggs daily, most days of the week. Scramble with spinach and tomatoes, or boil a batch for grab-and-go protein. Add a side of berries or avocado for an anti-inflammatory boost. Here is how to combine for faster results. Breakfast: oats plus berries plus 1 to 2 eggs. Lunch: salmon salad with avocado and mixed greens. Dinner: roasted chicken or salmon plus sweet potato plus steamed veggies. Snack: Greek yogurt with berries, or oat banana smoothie. Hydration: aim for steady fluids, even mild dehydration worsens cramps. Also, doing following exercises can multiply the effect of these foods. Start with sit-to-stand exercises. Place a sturdy chair behind you, cross your arms over your chest, and stand up without using your hands. Then slowly sit back down with control. Repeat this movement 10 times. It strengthens your thighs, hips, and balance, the foundation of leg power. Next, move to calf raises. Stand near a counter or wall for light support. Rise up onto your toes, pause for a second, then lower your heels slowly back to the floor. Do 15 repetitions. This simple move strengthens your calves, improves circulation, and enhances stability. Finally, practice single leg balance. Stand close to a wall or sturdy surface for safety. Shift your weight onto one leg. Lift the other foot slightly off the ground, and hold the position for 20 to 30 seconds per side. This helps train coordination and core control. Remember, food fuels adaptation, but movement tells your body exactly where to build strength. Do I need all 6 foods daily? No. Rotate them across the week. Consistency beats perfection. Best time to eat? Front-load fuel, oats/sweet potato, earlier. Recovery foods, egg/salmon/avocado, around or after activity. Can I start now? Yes. Add 1 food today and stack from there. Note: educational content only. If you manage chronic conditions or take medications, discuss dietary changes with your clinician.